Welcome to my channel OutdoorMS. Today I am taking you to Washington State International Kite Festival. Happen every year the third full week of August. Started on last Monday and ended on last Sunday. It was in Long Beach, Washington State. We are now on the Long Beach in Long Beach. Sky was full of color, high flying action and choreographed movement. Washington's Kite Festival draws famous kite flyers from all around the world and tens of thousands odd spectators, many of which participate in the fun with their own kite flying adventures. This was the grandest kite festival on the North America continent. It was the whole different kind of festival we have ever seen. It was so colorful to see so many colorful kites together in the sky. The event includes kite shows, kite contests, kite fighting, indoor kite flying, kite workshop. Anything and everything to do with kites can be found at this event. There is even a kite museum in this town. It's a spectacular sight to see. If you like this video and want to watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing.